Flies can contaminate food and areas where food is prepared, which makes their presence worrisome. We've made a list of tips to help you keep your kitchen free of pesky flies. 1. Don't let flies in your home. Check the exterior of your home for holes where flies could enter and seal any you find. Repair tears in screens and keep your doors and windows closed if they don't have screens. Check for and repair loose seals on windows and doors. 2. Minimize moisture. Flies are attracted to damp environments, so you'll want to minimize moisture buildup. Check for and resolve plumbing problems and ensure your drains aren't clogged. Empty mop buckets after using them. Wipe down your counters and the floor near your sink to keep the area dry. 3. Remove potential food sources. Clean your counters and floors to remove crumbs and spills. Don't leave dirty dishes in the sink. Avoid leaving overripe produce on the counter and store fruit, vegetables, and other food in the refrigerator or in airtight containers. 4. Take out the trash. Trash bins can be a hangout spot for flies looking for food or a place to breed. To avoid attracting these pests, make sure your trash bin has a tight-fitting lid. Take out the trash regularly and wash your bins to remove food residue. Hanging a garbage refresh deodorizer and insect control block in your trash bin can help to kill and repel flies and fruit flies. 5. Clean and treat your drains. Keeping your drains clean can help to prevent drain flies. Use a drain cover to keep food particles from accumulating in the drain. Scrub the drain with a metal brush to remove debris. Clean the drain with a microbial cleaner that digests the scum in drains. You can also treat your drain with a drain and fruit fly killer to help kill drain flies and repel them from laying eggs. 6. Use a fruit fly trap. Fruit fly traps can also help to keep fruit flies away. Place the trap close to fly activity and in areas where fruit flies frequent, including close to fruit bowls, around sinks and dishwashers, and near garbage areas. 7. Use a plant-based insecticide spray. Our flying insect killer can help to get rid of flies. It kills flies and also has repellent properties. You can spray near areas where flies are likely to enter your home to help prevent them from sneaking inside. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.